Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a child on Ryanair. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to ryanair.com. Go ahead and click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address or use any platforms that you use to log in or to create your account. Just go ahead and click on login to access your My Ryanair account. Once logged in, head over to the top right corner of your page. You're going to find the My Bookings tab. Go ahead and click on My Bookings. It's going to take you to a window where you'll find a list of your upcoming flights. Now, I don't have any upcoming bookings, so there's literally nothing to show here. But if you do, you'll definitely find it here. Now, identify the booking to which you wish to add a child and click on Manage this booking button next to it. This will open the booking details page for that specific flight. Once you get into the bookings page, on the left-hand menu, select Add Minors. Please note that minors aged 2 to 15 years cannot be added to an existing adult's booking, as they are not allowed to travel alone. Instead, you need to create a new adult booking for them and link it to your original booking so you can travel all together. To do this, create a new adult booking. Ensure the minor is booked with an adult age 18 or over. And then to link the bookings, go to the original adult booking. Select Add Minors from the left-hand menu. Select or retrieve the new adult booking you created. Enter the date of birth for the minor, and then both bookings will be linked to the passenger types updated. Once the minor is added and the bookings are linked, ensure you check in online for both bookings to avoid additional charges at the airport. Minors will be issued temporary boarding passes during online check-in. If purchasing a seat for the child, it's recommended to select a seat as close as possible to an adult in the original booking. Upon arrival at the airport, go to the check-in desk where all minors will be issued valid boarding passes. For children with no seat assigned, staff at the check-in desk will assign seats next to an adult. If that's not possible, cabin crew will help seat you together. Minors are categorized as children 2 to 11 years or teenagers 12 to 15 years. The minor must travel accompanied by an adult age 18 or over. A minor cannot be added to an existing adult's booking. A new adult booking must be created and linked. And that's it. You have successfully added a child to your Ryanair booking. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.